Vocal warm-ups can be long and boring, so it's tempting to skip them. That's why I've condensed 4 crucial exercises into 4 minutes to help you take care of your voice as a rapper and get the best sound out of it. So we're quickly starting with learning how to breathe from our diaphragm, learning some diaphragmatic breathing, because that's where all our vocal range comes from and it stops us from straining our vocal cords. So you're going to have your right or left hand on your solar plexus, like so, on the top of your belly. And then you're going to breathe in through the nose, out through the nose, just like that. Or in through the nose, out through the mouth. Carry on doing this, do it with me. And we're just going to do this continuously for about a minute or so. Each exercise that we're doing here is going to be about 30 seconds to a minute long. So, and then now continuing with our diaphragmatic breathing, as we breathe in through the nose or mouth, whichever one you prefer. When you breathe out, we're going to do our lip rolls. If you can't lip roll, which is then the alternative is to hum, which is but you're gonna hum or lip roll on the out breath. So breathe in and then lip roll. Now continuing the same theme of diaphragmatic breathing. So now when you breathe in and you breathe out, it's going to be a tongue trill. So and if you can't tongue trill, the alternative exercise for you will be going la, but multiple times. So like la 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 la, like that. Now we're gonna do that on the out breath. So let's go. So breathe in. Okay, last exercise of this vocal warm-up. Let's do it. The tongue twister I'm doing is Smelly Shoes and Socks, Shock Sisters. So let's go straight into it. Smelly shoes and socks, shock sisters. 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 And there you go, there's the quick vocal warm-up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out the Patreon if you want quicker, more exclusive content and want to help the channel out. With all that being said, hope this helps you out. I hope your voice feels ready to spit. Now go and spit them bars. Catch you in the next episode.